Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're talking about a brand new feature on YouTube called dubbing. Until now, if you wanted to watch a video in another language, you usually had to rely on subtitles. But now YouTube has started rolling out a tool that lets creators upload or generate different audio tracks for the same video. That means you can actually listen to the video in another language instead of just reading subtitles. It makes the experience much more natural, especially for people who prefer hearing content in their own language. So let me show you exactly how this works. First, I opened the YouTube app on my phone and went to my channel. Then I opened one of my videos. I tapped on the video to bring up the options, and then clicked on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the menu, I selected Audio Track. Here, YouTube automatically showed me a list of available languages that it generated. This is really cool because it means you can watch or listen to the same video in different languages without subtitles.
A continuación, toca el nombre del contacto o su foto de perfil para abrir los detalles del perfil. Aquí veréis diferente información sobre vuestro contacto. Ahora mirad la esquina superior derecha de la pantalla.
3つのドットがあります。それらをタップすると、さらに多くのオプションを含むドロップダウンメニューが表示されます。このメニューで必要なオプションである秘密。
Keep in mind that this feature currently works on newly shared videos. For older uploads, it may not be available yet, but YouTube has announced that it will be rolling out to them soon. After testing on mobile, I also tried this on YouTube for PC. I opened the same video, clicked on the gear icon, and again chose Audio Track.
En el video de hoy, os mostraré cómo configurar una respuesta automática en Gmail en la web.
I switched the language first to Spanish and then to Japanese, and it worked perfectly.
.com にアクセスします。まだログインしていない場合は、アカウントでログインしてください。ログインしたら、右上の歯車アイコンをクリックして設定を開きます。
And that's how you use the brand new dubbing feature on YouTube, both on mobile and desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.